We're making a smoothie out of ice cream, vanilla ice cream.
Coffee.
Vloggers
classic roast.
ice cream coffee.
What does it say?
Nesquik chocolate mix.
Tostada Classico.
Tostada clasito. And then Apple Jacks.
Folgers.
How do you say Apple Jacks in Spanish?
Manzana Jacks. Jacks Manzana.
Jackson Manzana.
Okay.
Should we use milk for this? We should
Probably.
use milk for this.
Okay. The first thing that we should put in here.
Oh, we're
Probably
also
ice
using
cream.
leche.
Yeah, you know what that is.
Milk.
Oh, the ice cream's good.
I know what leche is because my friend told me. My friend said, "Oh, you guys want some leche?" And I was like, "Oh yeah, isn't that apple juice?" They're like, "No, that's not apple juice. It's milk." I'm like, "Oh my god!" This whole time my grandma's been telling me, "Oh, do you want something con leche?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she kept
Did
giving
she
me
tell you
milk.
that a roast con leche?
I think so.
Because that's rice with milk.
I need a paper towel. Someone give me a paper towel.
Where are they?
Oh, okay. Just gonna use the rest of it.
Let's put salt in it.
No.
Let's put ketchup in it.
No.
Let's put
You don't
mayonnaise
even
in it.
like ketchup.
I know. But I mean, what if you put like the worst things you've ever had together?
And ice cream.
I know the song.
This little it?
Oh yeah, that's why.
Like Japanese? I don't know. From Japan? Like it looks human? Oh.
3.
What?
In Japan they found like this some semen,
Some semen?
some
Oh,
sailors.
Oh.
Some this animal that looks like a human but has a fishtail and stuff like that.
Yeah.
A cryptid.
Why are you doing this?
Rice. Because this is for our YouTube channel.
Videotape it. I heard you now. Like,
Okay, look at this. Oh yeah, it's opening.
Exposure.
Hot pot. We got water, corn,
No, you said in
Agua.
popsicles, hot pockets.
How do you say
More
corn in Spanish? Is
popsicles.
it maize?
It's
Why you guys looking at my freezer?
because Mondo told us to.
How do you say juice in Spanish?
Hugo.
How do you say hot pocket in Spanish?
I don't know. Okay, caliente
Not all of
pacocho.
these have names in Spanish because not all of these are
Paco Paco.
Next is the milk.
Go.
And then gonna open the cereals. Open. This is kind of hard to do with one hand, but I got it.
I love it. I love coffee.
Alyssa's putting. Oh my God, my nail! Alyssa's putting coffee in the mixture of milk, ice cream,
How much
and things.
how much chocolate should I put in?
Probably like that big spoon one.
A teaspoon?
Yeah. I don't know what that's called. Adrian, can you open this? Because I don't have 2 hands to do it.
Just one or 2?
2.
Now I want some Jack stuff or what's this called?
Apple Jack.
Apple Jack.
That's right there. And then some apple jacks. If someone could pick them up away. Oh, why'd you guys open the whole thing?
Adrian did it.
Why?
Well, that's the way I open cereal.
Well, we only open it
I
halfway.
didn't know that.
Why is it going so blurry? Some Apple Jacks. I think this is actually going to taste really good.
It better. That's when I'm gonna get in trouble.
I'll eat it all. Some of it.
Did you guys open it all the way and now I have to do this?
Whoa, that bag is empty of rice. And there's a full one on the floor.
Okay. Anybody else want to do the bigger part?
I want to do it. I want to press buttons.
I gave birth. I'm giving birth to a rice.
Remember, you gotta
Oh my God! It's an Asian.
hold it down.
Okay.
You're the commercial that you back up. Watch the game commercial.
Smile at the camera, Brittany.
Smile the exact pose you are.
Okay, stop it really quick. Let me see. I'm gonna scrape the chocolate off the side.
Looks like
It looks gray. Maybe it's for the
Should we
best.
put more stuff in it?
Taste it. See how it tastes.
ew. Does it taste good?
Oh my god.
Does it taste good?
Mm-hmm. Let's put more stuff in it. So we can have more. Someone get the ice cream out. I need some of it.
Get out ice cream. No, I don't want to go out. You have to.
Better.
Hey, ice cream.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Gonna scream.
I killed the ice cream.
I need more ice cream in there,
Why'd you do this, Adrian? I thought you loved me. Up, Alyssa, scooping my boobs out.
though. Okay. Okay, now Adrian, put it back. Put it back. Adrian, put it back.
Oh.
We need more apple chips in it too.
Oh, my great
It has enough chocolate. Okay, ready, Brittany?
Yeah.
Ready to blend it? Oh my god!
We should probably check it next time.
Sorry, I hit your boob.
I can't believe I almost got it. Okay.
You have to smell out the camera while you're doing it.
Hold the top, Brittany.
Oh, yeah.
Don't press the other button, you're gonna break it.
I think that's pretty much good enough.
Should I?
Smells like chocolate and milk.
Oh my god.
How did it taste?
Do you guys have
Well,
straws?
I'm just gonna get a whole bed spoon. You guys need some too.
Do you guys
This
have
is my
straws?
cup.
Take care.
Do you guys have straws?
Ready to taste it, Brittany?
Yeah.
Do you guys have spoons?
Yes.
I'll eat it with a spoon. You dropped the drop.
Tastes glorious.
It
It tastes like a bunch of rainbows.
extraordinary.
Just cut there again.
I want that cup. Just kidding. I'll get a blue
You're
cup.
gonna have to make
Oh no, I want it that red cup.
this one.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, okay.
Just do it. I feel like I'm eating breakfast with my childhood.
Oh my god, if only we had Lucky Charms though.
Oh my
You can
god.
put marshmallows in it. Just the marshmallows.
This is the thing. I can try it now.
I can't. I have it on my lips.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, huh? Here, use this.
Oh, I was gonna say, let's sit down, but there's a bunch of food. That's okay.